Uhayo gozaimasu guys. Ayan, breakfast muna tayo guys. Bago pumasok. Pipili tayo guys. Uhayo gozaimasu Philippines. Good morning Philippines. Uhayo gozaimasu guys. Ayan guys, back to school na guys. Class B na tayo guys. Ayan. Kamusta dyan sa Philippines guys? Back to school na naman. Ohayo gozaimasu. Ayan na guys ang aking school guys. Yan. Yung kulay light green guys. Yung kulay light green na building na yan guys. Ohayo gozaimasu. Good morning Philippines. Yan guys, papasok na tayo sa loob guys.